You're probably wondering why I'm holding a fork. That's because today on my Make Ads with AI challenge, I told all my attendees that they had to do a contest, and whoever could make the best ad about a fork, one would win $100 today. This is the winner.
Are you looking for a good fork? But when you look for a fork, all you can find is something that looks more like a spoon. Introducing the fantastic fork, the best fork of your life. With this fork, you have so many options. You can fork an apple, you can fork a banana. Just don't fork yourself, it'll really hurt. If you want to do lots of forking, get two fantastic forks. You'll be the best forker in your town. Forking this and forking that, lots of forking. Yeah, mate, so I've been using the fantastic fork for a while. I'm really happy with it. To say my life's changed because of it is an understatement. Since getting the fantastic fork, I've got a promotion at work, I'm earning more money, I'm doing overseas travel. It's super quality. Okay, you've heard it from the cowboy. Get your fork today. The best fork of your life. To buy the fantastic fork, call 1-800-FORK-ME.